Alright, so this is Steve's dad's bike. Nice little sucker. 125, I think, maybe, something like that. This is the bike I've been riding. Honda 100. Nice little thing. A close up on the handlebar where I broke my wrist. Alright. In that area, general direction. Alright, so here we go. And then here's Steve's bike. Freaking nice. Just like got a new motor and everything. Kawasaki 125. Beautiful. 2-stroke engine. Pretty sure that bike's a 2-stroke as well. This is not a 4-stroke. And yeah, there's the 70s. 70s intense because it's like an old motorcycle. Basically, it's like legitimate. What do you want? I almost got hit by a football. Very, very close to getting hit by a football. Yep, that's it. Steve is very, very gay.